What's up, guys? It's Tanner with OBO. I'm excited to present another HubSpot Plus Expert Insights and Hidden Gems video. Today is going to be all about the meeting scheduler. And if you don't know where it is, it's right here in the library. You can click on meeting scheduler right here. There are actually 3 different options. I'm just going to show you one, and then the other 2 are slightly different. There's just one extra setting. I'll take you through one-on-one for now, and then we'll go through the rest of that later. I'm going to walk you guys through each of these settings so that you understand a little bit about what's going on and also so that you can use it yourself. This first one is an internal name. It literally is what it sounds like. You can select which business unit you need to pertain this meeting scheduler link with, and then who's the organizer, and so on and so forth. The title is what you will see and also whoever you invite will see. If you create a title, say this is a title, this will actually change inside of their calendars as well as your calendars. You can also add in tokens for personalization. So you can put in a token for the first name. So this is a title with whoever's name it is, John. And then you can add in company tokens as well. The location piece is really important actually, because you can put it as an in-person meeting, you can put it as a online meeting, and you can even add the video conference link here. That'll give you an option for whatever third-party service you're using. So in my case, I'm using Zoom, and I can click on Zoom, and now automatically in the location, the Zoom link will appear. It's really, really cool. I like it a lot. If you don't know how to manage your extensions or use the third-party systems, or you don't know if it's installed yet, just shoot me a message. I will be happy to answer your guys' questions. So this is actually new, the cancel and reschedule button. What happens when you click it, it'll pop up the need to make changes. You can't actually adjust any of this. It'll automatically pop up inside of the description. So that's always going to be there, just to let you know. But it's a really helpful tool. So for the meeting type, there's lots of different activities within HubSpot. This one is specific to the meeting. You can customize that inside of your meeting settings within HubSpot. You can actually customize the domain link as well. That's in a different setting inside of HubSpot. If you don't know how to do that, just let me know. I'll be happy to show you. You can easily customize the slug right here. This new feature is really cool. It's actually collecting payments within HubSpot, so you can collect it right there and then. And as you can see, I actually can't choose this because I have canceled and rescheduled meeting on before in the overview section. So in this section right here, if I uncheck the cancel and reschedule button, then I will be able to collect payments. Just remember that. And this scheduling method is pretty straightforward. It's not too difficult. You can customize it however you want and add as many options that are given right here, and even add a custom duration. This new section, consider working hours, is really cool because it takes into account your out of office, your other meetings that you have busy, and it'll put that directly into this link so that you don't have to always worry about getting booked on accident when you really were out of town or at a dentist's appointment or something. If we go to this next tab right here, we have the option to customize the form that our customer is going to fill out, and you can make them required or optional. What's cool about this is when you add these properties directly, it stores them inside of HubSpot and uses them as contact properties. If we go to the third tab, you can create a confirmation page that will redirect them to somewhere else if you want, or you can just have a booking confirmed page. Last but not least, you have a confirmation email that you can send over just saying, hey, we got it, you're ready to go, this is our meeting. You can add up to 3 pre-meeting reminders, and you can even customize the email itself with personalized tokens to give that nice little touch for your customers. I'm going to create the link there, and I'm going to go to another one, and I'm going to show you the difference for the round robin. This is what's different here is we have a team members section up here, and I can add my team members, whoever's going to be part of this. As you can see here, there's a welcome tab. So this welcome tab has them insert their email first. And if it actually is associated with somebody inside of their contacts, inside of HubSpot, then it'll automatically connect with them. You can do that if you want to, you don't have to. So how the round robin works is it switches between all of your employees who are attached to this scheduling link. So essentially it'll go top to bottom. The next client that signs up with your link is going to get the next person, and then the client after that will get the next employee, and then the client after that will get the next employee, and then it'll cycle back through. It'll continue to knock off the timeframes that were already scheduled previously, so you don't have to worry about schedules being conflicted or anything like that. It does it and handles it automatically. So the only difference between that and the group links are the group links are everyone together, and this one is individually. It'll go from one person to the next, and everything else is the same except for this tab is not there on the group setting page. So there you have it, guys. That was an overview on the meeting scheduler. Hopefully everything made sense. If you have any questions, just let me know. That was another HubSpot Plus Expert Insights and Hidden Gems video. I'm Tanner. I'll see you guys next time.